Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I will teaching you how to enter referral code on Google Pay. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your Google Pay app was updated, okay? After that, in your Google Pay app, you need to click in the top and right side of your screen in the corner in your profile picture, okay? After that, you see the three dots in the top and right side of the screen again, so just tap here. And after that, you see the first option, referral code. So just tap here. And after that, you see the section to put your referral code. So just put your referral code in, enter referral code in the box. And after that, just clicking apply code in the lower side of your screen. Okay. And that's it. So I hope I can help you to enter a referral code on Google Pay. If you like, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya.